In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Zoho Books if you've started billing in a new country or chose the wrong currency during setup. Updating your base currency ensures your dashboards, reports, and default invoices match the money you actually use. Make sure you're signed in with permission to manage organization settings because this change applies account-wide. From anywhere in Zoho Books, look for the small gear icon, usually in the top right corner. That opens the settings area where all company level preferences live. Click it to open the full settings menu. Inside settings, open your organization profile. This section holds your company details and core preferences. Scroll down until you find base currency. This is the primary currency for your organization, used for dashboards, totals, and reports. You can still work with other currencies using exchange rates, but your base defines your home currency. When you reach base currency, click the currency field to reveal the list. You can type to search by country name or the three-letter ISO code like USD or GBP. Choose the currency that matches your organization's financial home. Double-check the selection before proceeding. Changing base currency can affect reporting and may be limited if your account already with transactions. If you see a warning that it can't be changed, that safeguard is there to keep your books consistent, and you may need to review existing data or speak with your accountant. After you select the currency, give the page a moment to apply the preference. From now on, totals, new invoices, and reports will reflect the currency you picked. Existing multi-currency transactions will still show their original currencies, with conversions handled by Zoho's exchange rate settings. That's the process. Open the gear icon for settings, go to your organization profile, scroll to base currency, and select the right option. Keep in mind that regional number formats and date styles are managed separately if you want them to match local standards. Making the correct base currency choice up front saves time, prevents confusion on invoices, and keeps your financial picture clear. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to keep your books aligned with the currency you use every day.